Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are happy. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning my very messy living area. This is our family room and I cannot wait to get this room straightened up. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I hope this video encourages you to subscribe and give me a really big thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started. So of course, the first thing I'm going to be doing is making sure I throw away all the trash that is in here. Yes, that was a full pizza box because me and my husband, we were in here just chilling and relaxing the night before. And I wasn't worried about it. I knew I was going to actually get up and start cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the cushions and all of the pillow backs from the couch because I want to make sure any crumbs that fell through get vacuumed up.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So guys, I am using one of my handheld vacuums to actually get all the crumbs up from in between this sectional. And guys, I actually did a review on this product and I'll link it down below. I usually always do this to my couch because it just keeps your sofa very fresh, the new feeling and the new smelling as well. I always want to make sure I'm knocking off any dust or any crumbs that you may collect over time.
Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your...
Now I'm just putting the cushions back on the sofa, and what I'm doing is any little stains or spots that I see, I'm going over it with a fabric cleaner and a microfiber cloth to make sure if I see any stains that they do get wiped away before they actually set and become permanent. This couch is not a high performance fabric, but it does kind of clean as such. I know that sounds a little weird, but maybe I'll do a clean with me close up on the sofa so that you can see how easy these stains come out of the fabric.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I did flip all of the cushions, and what I'm doing now is going over it again with my handheld vacuum because I have to see the lines. It's not officially clean if I do not see the lines in the fabric, and I just love doing that. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you weird like me where you have to see like vacuum lines and cleaning lines to let you know you're doing a good job?
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on.
And guys, if you're wondering where I purchased this sectional, I actually picked it up at Ashley's home store. I did an actual dedicated video for this sectional and I'll link it down below. You guys, when I say I really love this piece, I love it. It's so classic, it's sturdy, it's comfortable, and most importantly, it keeps its shape. We've had it for, I would say, about 3 months now, and it looks like it was just delivered. My husband loves it. He's a taller, bigger guy, and he sits on it so comfortably, and I think this is a really good buy. So if you guys are looking for a lighter colored sectional that's going to be big enough to fit your space, I'll definitely link this down in the description box below.
Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind.
If you made it this far in the video, I thank you so much. I hope you guys are subscribed, and I hope you guys give me a really big thumbs up if you like what you're seeing so far. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mary. I make lifestyle videos and I also make a lot of vlogs. I try to encourage all women, especially women of color, that you can live a life of peace and luxury as you see fit. So if you are liking what you see and you want to see more of it, definitely go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment down below and let me know that you are a new subscriber so that I can give you a very big welcome.
Switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there.
So I'm taking a broom and I'm actually going over this rug because I've seen a lot of hard to get crumbs, and I wanted to sweep it out with the bristle of a broom. And then once I'm done with the rug, I'm just gonna take that broom and go over the floor and also the concrete slab of the fireplace. Then I'm gonna go over it one more time with my cordless vacuum cleaner, just because this gives it that vacuum line I was talking about, and this also gives it a deeper clean.
Don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. It was all a big mistake. Never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends. I forgot that we had plans. Saw the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up.
If you're wondering why I'm walking around the ottoman like a duck, it's because I want to make sure there is enough space between the ottoman and the couch, so when people walk around it, they are not touching the ottoman. Now I'm just going to use that same machine I used to clean the couch. I'm using the smaller nose of it to get in between the cushion of the ottoman, and I'm going to vacuum over it because we also had food crumbs in there. You guys, when I say we live in our house, we enjoy our home.
So you're posting on the gram. I even tried to call your fam.
Now I'm just taking a microfiber cloth and a soft cleaner and going over the fireplace because our fireplace is tile. So I want to make sure that doesn't get cluttered with dust or dirt.
And I really wish you just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times. You saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice. Baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone.
So guys, I do not clean my windows every time I tackle this family room, but you know what, it's been a few months, so I decided that today is the day, and I went ahead and cleaned the windows, and I'm so happy that I did because it got so much brighter. I'm telling you, you just don't know how often you actually need to clean your windows inside and out.
Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line.
So guys, I recently picked up this Swiffer Duster Heavy Duty, and I really like it. I definitely needed to dust. It has literally been 2 months since I've actually dusted, and I've been putting it on the back burner for so long that today was just the day. I got so much dust just off those shades, the window shades alone. So I will definitely be incorporating this in my weekly cleaning routine.
Don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why?
So I'm also going to dust my fiddle leaf tree as well as my wall and try to get everything as dust free as possible.
Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
to go ahead and clean off my mirror, and I'm using that Sprayway glass cleaner, and that is honestly one of the best glass cleaners that I have ever used. Once I finish with that, I'm going to go ahead with my cordless vacuum cleaner again and just finish the floors. And I'm going to top the floors off by shining them a little bit. I always use my dust mops. Every week I use a dust mop, but not every week do I actually shine the floors. So I'm using some wood cleaner to go ahead and shine the floors.
Can't take back, I can stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation.
Everything is looking so good to me. I'm going to go ahead and cut on that fireplace because, believe it or not, we actually utilize our fireplace almost every day. I'm going to go ahead and light a candle to get the aroma going. And you guys, here is what the living room is looking like after I have de-cleaned it. And it looks so fresh and so clean. The aroma smells so good. When I tell you guys, it really feels like home in here. I now can just cuddle up on the couch and I don't have to worry about any crumbs. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys give me a really, really big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, remember to stay safe, spread love, and always be kind. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Is it